Hi, I'm Tim from Staples. Maintaining a clean and safe workplace shouldn't be complicated. That's why, with your employees and planet in mind, we've developed the Coastwide Professional Glass Cleaner. Whether you're tackling windows or hard surfaces, the Coastwide Professional Glass Cleaner provides commercial-grade performance to make the task at hand quick and easy. When you switch to the Coastwide Professional Glass Cleaner, you get great value for a commercial-grade product and on average, save 20% compared to the national brand. With our Unscented formula, you can feel good about using a product free of alcohol, ammonia, and phosphate. All ingredients are eco-friendly too, including the dye that gives our cleaner its pale shade. Experience our industry-leading formula for yourself. Your team and our planet will be glad you did. To learn more about our facility solutions, visit staplesprofessional.ca.